Welcome back. This is Patty Robertson with Tidewater Homes again. Today we're out at 1021 Railroad in Chesapeake, Virginia. This is in the South Norfolk neighborhood. As you can see, we have a community here of houses that were all built around the same time. Ours was built in 2004. It's a gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. Wait till you see this. Walk inside to the living room. Obviously this is 2-story. All new paint. Carpet and vinyl throughout. We do have a half bath downstairs. Down here we have a half bath. Washer and dryer will stay. Central air, all electric, no gas. Cute kitchen, has a dishwasher, electric stove with built-in microwave. Have an open bar to the dining area. The dining area in the back. Have a little pass-through. Out back we have a shed to store your lawnmower. And then let me take you up to show you the bedrooms. Nice bright house. The smoke detectors are wired in with the electrical system, which makes changing those batteries non-existent. Master, beautiful master with a ceiling fan is in the front of the house. Have a large closet here. Cathedral ceilings. And the master does have its own private bath. And then we have 2 bedrooms with a nice linen closet here. 2 bedrooms in the hallway with a Jack and Jill bath. So we have bathroom access from all the bedrooms in this home. Here's bedroom number 2. Bathrooms are accessed with a pocket door. Love that. Saves a little space. Two tub baths. And then the 3rd bedroom is on the rear of the home. Nice sized room. This house is going to rent really quick. If you're interested, call us today. I'll show you the outside again. Driveway parking here for 4 cars. And this is 1021 Railroad Road in Chesapeake. You can find out more about this home and all the others on our website at tidewaterhomesva.com, or you can call our rent hotline at 757-773-RENT. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.